Hello everybody and welcome to Pro Video COIL. My name is Ronen Barani and today we're going to take a look on how to create a witness protection effect. What is witness protection? Let's take a look. Okay. So basically what we have here is this video track and we have this blur effect that we apply it on it, but for doing so we need to track the person, and let's get started. So we have this shot. Okay, I want to put the blur effect on his head, so let's press Ctrl 8 and let's go to image and blur effect. Let's open the effect editor and now we can choose oval or rectangular tool. Let's take the oval and we have a nice round shape. By the way, we can take the mosaic effect and do the same job like this. It is your call. So let's go back to blur effect. Let's add a circle and we're going to do some few adjustments about the circle later, but before, let's see what we can do. We have two ways to track it. The first way is manually by keyframes. We can track forward to add keyframes, etc. But I want to do it easy and faster because sometimes it is hard to track manually and then we need to have it automatically. So let's delete and start over. Let's select the shape that we want, the size and the shape we will change it later, and let's enter here in the effect blur to the tracking. Let's press to point the tracker number 1. We can close this window. Okay, we can see that we have here this selection area. We are going to put it here under his chin because I tracked it before and I know that this is the best tracked point for this shot. So now that we have placed this marker under his chin, let's start by tracking here. We can see that the marker is still on our guy. A little bit moved, but we're going to fix it. Okay, we can see here the tracking points. Let's exit from this window, and if we are going to look, we can see that the tracker made a nice job, but we have still some things to do. Okay, for the first thing that we're going to do is to enlarge the circle, and let's go and see when the circle is shifted a little bit. Okay, I think that here in this point it is moving down a little bit, so let's go back a little bit, add a keyframe, go forward, and let's just drag it a little bit up. So we still have the circle around him. Here we need another shift a little bit, and at the end you can see okay, pretty good. We can still fix it but for now, for the example, it is okay. The next thing that we need to do is to set the circle shape. So for that, let's select one of our keyframe and press Ctrl A, so it will affect the whole keyframes. Let's enter the effect editor, and here we have a bunch of stuff that we can do to make the circle look more decent. So the first thing is that we're going to do is to play with our horizontal and vertical blur. Let's play a little bit with the feather. Let's unlock the fixed aspect ratio. Okay. And now let's play it. It looks more decent, more natural. And we can still see his face, so we can play with the feathering and these other options here. By the way, if you see this problem that you want to fix something in the blur effect and you don't see the buttons, you just need to go to this monitor, press it, and then you will have the buttons back. So let's go back to our keyframes. Let's press Ctrl A, so it will affect the whole keyframes and not only for this keyframe. And let's try to do something that will blur our guy better, so the mafia won't find him. Okay. Not good because we can see the edges, so therefore we need to feather it a little bit. Now we can see the round, the circle is okay. Okay, so let's watch our final shot. Okay, of course we can still fix a little bit of the tracking, but for now, just for the demonstration and to show you how quick and fast is this tracking tool, and very effective if you are in stress to do some things faster. So until the next time, my name is Ronen Barani from ProVideo COIL. You can always visit my site ProVideo and to check out the great stuff here, our new tutorials in Avid and After Effects, and you can see my works, you can enter my blog, and you can always support our site by purchasing this video effects package. It is a very nice and cool, quick tool for video editors and After Effects and motion graphic artists. You can see the instruction video, and you can see here the instruction video about this product. Very easy to use. Until the next time, my name is Ronen Barani. Bye bye.